rustings en die kragtepakkies van Pink en Pers is die mannes die goeie project, oftewel MCQP, een van die grootste kostuumpartytjies in Afrika. Netwerk 24 het in volle pors en kleed die feestviering in die Kaapse Middestad kom bywoon.
Favorite part is seeing everybody in their costumes and everybody having fun.
See, my outfit blew away. I was actually originally in Policy Street. I had cellophane all over me.
Oral waar jy kyk is net vriende, vere en popdosse.
Awesome, we're having a great time except it's really windy. It's really windy. Music is amazing now. Yeah, right.
MCQP brings out all the like fun vibes and the jawling and the like amazing qualities and like it just makes me so happy to realize that like people are so confident with who they are and what they want to be in life.
Daar is 'n gesegde wat lui, die vere maak die voël. En na 'n aand by MCQP kan ek met volle vertroue sê dat die gesegde waar is. Ek is Ronaldo Shaw by MCQP in Kaapstad vir Netwerk 24.